Let's begin. First, search for the Union Bank UPI app from the Google Play Store in your smartphone. You can identify the right and authentic product with the Union Bank logo in the display. Now, click on the search option and hit the install tab. Accept and UPI app will start downloading. After a successful download, the app will form a shortcut icon on your smartphone. Open the app and tap on the Click Me option to validate your mobile number with a SMS. Read the information displayed and click OK. You will need to register with the Union Bank UPI app with your first name, last name, email ID, date of birth, gender and mobile number, Aadhaar number, password, reconfirm password. Read the terms and conditions and accept. Now confirm the registration. You will now be directed to Union Bank UPI app's homepage, where you can view a host of services combined for your convenience. But the first action must always be to create a secured PIN. Click on the Change PIN option. Enter the OTP sent to your mobile inbox. Insert your new PIN. Confirm the PIN. Insert the last 6 digits of your debit card number and its expiry date. Now click Submit. Your new secured PIN is successfully created. Now add an account to your UPI app. Select from the list of banks. Add your account number. This will register your account for faster use in future. It's important to now add your virtual address to transact funds. Click the option to create a virtual address. Select your frequency. Fill in limit of time or amount and type a preferred name for your virtual address. Now submit. Your virtual address is created successfully. Now register a payee to send or collect funds from them. Choose the participants option. Select payment address type. Add payee address. Give them a nickname and submit. Your payee is registered successfully. To send money, select the Pay option. Choose the account you want to pay from. Add payee's virtual address. Insert amount and confirm. Now enter the OTP received to make the transaction. Insert your PIN. Confirm your PIN. Add the last 6 digits of your debit card and the expiry date. Now submit. Confirm with your secured PIN and click Send Money. You can also collect money from Union Bank UPI app. To collect money, simply click the Collect option on the home page. Choose the account you want to get money transferred to. Add the payee's virtual address. Add the amount needed to be collected. Decide on the date of receiving payment. Set the time you wish to receive payment. Read the fed information and confirm. You will now receive a notification that your collect money request is sent to the payer. When your payer adds money into your chosen account, you will be notified with your new balance amount. What's more, everyday banking transaction can also be carried effortlessly from Union Bank UPI app. Enjoy banking on your mobile with Union Bank UPI app.